How do you feel, Jack? Started North Coast 200.
Oh yeah, I didn't even think about that. Yeah, we feel good.
Feel good. Yeah.
Surprisingly good.
Yeah.
It was
Not surprisingly good.
No, surprisingly.
You think? Alright.
Because it was 2 long, tiring, wet days.
It was, yeah.
Yeah, I can't really complain about how I've been feeling so far.
Off we start on the North Coast. Wearing all our gear.
In every bit of gear we have.
Yeah, I'm warm. I'm wearing a hoodie.
I'm enormous right now.
Doing your little pants dance. We haven't even left and it's raining. Start up there.
You need fuel as well.
Yeah. Alright.
Of course you do.
Not bad. The camera's on, it goes well every time.
That's far as also
Got it. Thank you. Best restaurant in the world. It was up the pedestrian street, wasn't it? Let's go left up here. Stopped at a gift shop, get some stickers and some key rings. Just abandoned the bikes up here. Jack's ahead of me. Oh, alright. It's starting to rain, but all our stuff. Go. Nice. I think the tide comes right in. What's the hold up? Like a digger thing. We're stopping for some lunch in this town, Golspie. Started lashing rain. Hopefully this is an inn up the road that we might be able to go in and just get some soup and a sandwich or something. Soup of the day would be lovely right now, and we'll avoid the rain. Although Jack pointed out that today was the day it wasn't forecast to be raining, so we're kind of worrying about the days that it is forecast to be raining. So there's that. Anyway, on to get some food. First cup of tea in a day.
24 hours or something.
Fantastic.
Oh yeah.
That's a good one.
We are in the land of GS's. GS. And there's the bikes. And wouldn't you know what a GS? And another one. Well, Mark, what do you think of all the GS's?
They're all very fancy.
Yeah.
I don't know if it's overkill or not.
It is overkill.
Yeah.
But goddamn.
I mean, they look great. But
They do look great. If I was going around the world,
they're big rhinos.
I'd want to be on that.
Would you?
but we're not going around the world. We're going around Scotland, so
Yeah.
we're just jealous.
I need a centre stand, that's all I need.
We're just jealous of the.
I need a centre stand and I need to tighten me fucking chain.
Can't beat this for looks though. We have a castle. And let's enjoy the roads before we inevitably run into the back of a bus, tractor, caravan, or learner.
We just finished eating. We're driving for 30 seconds. We missed where we were going to park to pull in, put our rain gear on because it started raining 30 seconds after we left. So back to the rain gear again. Yeah, we'll get the next one and we'll put our rain gear on. But yeah, it was dry for like an hour while we were eating and now it's raining again. Fantastic, relentless rain.
Yeah.
Hello. Have you got the directions actually? Alright. Petrol station here. Alright. I was actually, it was, instead of going, it's 3 minutes, yeah, we'll go there now, will we? God, this looks grand, Jack. Camping site, Wick River. The nice man gave us some wooden planks to park our bikes on. That's the one, thank you very much. It just means I won't be able to see my bike from the tent, but sure look, I'll let you away with it. I was recording the whole time. Where are we now?
Wick.
Wick.
Yeah, it's our first night on the NC500.
Yeah.
We've stopped to camp, which we have set up.
This is your tent then.
Various equipment and stuff.
There's Jack's stuff.
And things.
And water.
Water.
Let me get a look inside.
Could be sleeping in there now.
I'm sleeping in there.
Yeah. By myself.
By yourself. There's your shoes. Oh, that's fantastic. Well
The
done.
temperature's nice. It's a little windy. We're going to ignore the guy ropes.
Temperature's nice. It's a little windy, but if you not as well warmed up as Jack.
Yes, clearly, yeah.
But anyway, here's my tent.
KTM sleeping bag.
KTM sleeping bag,
KTM
official.
sleeping
Yeah.
bag.
And my shoes. We've got big Coke and stuff here, and we've got.
This is what the people want to see.
These
yeah?
are-
They don't want to see us riding bikes.
This is
They want to see this.
these are very addictive, but your stomach feels like it's in knots because you meant sugar.
It's true, yeah. Stomach's
So,
been
and when you
jumping.
eat them, you can't stop.
Campsite's really nice. It's basically all motorhomes and what would you call them? Camper vans, yeah. But there's the facilities. Not much more you can ask for, really. Gave us nice little planks for our bikes.
The lads are making tea. Lovely. Dinner time. Pasta.
Yogurt.
If you know, you know. First night camping, Jack.
Yep.
How do you feel?
Good, yeah.
Good.
Yeah.
Eager. It's 8 minutes to 10.
Yep. We're gonna wind down now. Yeah?
When?
Yeah.
Bit of reading. Bit of relaxing.
Yeah.
Get fumigated by the Mozzie coil.
Hopefully sleep okay.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Happy days.
It can't be any better at the moment, eh?
Yeah, it's perfect camping conditions. In the Highlands. Yeah, but you're in the Highlands, like.
Fine.
It's like, the thing about camping is, you don't have much to do and you have all day to do it, so it's 5 to 8 now. And we're pretty much done for the day. Which is a nice change, actually, but...
Yeah. I'm sure it's what we decided would be better than the alternative, which is rushing around everywhere.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So,
and this is a really nice campsite.
yeah, it's fantastic.
See?
And that's it, really.
There's a shelter.
Just in the bag now. It's like 10 o'clock. Still bright out, obviously, because it doesn't get dark till 11 here. So, I go to sleep.
Lubing up the gloves.
Just lubing up the gloves. Yeah, just lubing up the gloves.
Yeah.